Hey guys, Mike Lauper here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of my brand new Mac Mini. I just got this for editing. I'm going to try it out. It's supposed to be faster than my MacBook Pro, and yeah, so let's get right to the unboxing. Okay, so Apple went ahead and delivered this. It's pretty cool. I ordered it online and they dropped it off within basically about an hour. Let's see if we can get this thing open. They didn't used to tape these shut. This is kind of interesting. Let's see. Okay, so there's definitely some tape here. It's sealed to make sure that you know that you're getting it fresh, clean, brand new. And that's, oops, just move my whole desk around. That's the new Mac Mini that just arrived. That's pretty cool. Mac Mini, nice package, not too heavy. All right, let's see if we can open this. Where did I leave my handy dandy knife? I did not prepare well for this today. I don't see, up there it is. Handy dandy knife. Let's go ahead and see if we can get into this box. Alright, one blade later. Let's see. Turn it over. Should do a trick. Oh. Okay. That's open. See what we've got in this box. Don't need that anymore. And let's see here. Nice. I always like that sound. It just like pops open. It's like so cool. All right, let's see if we can get the computer out. And let's move the box to the side. And let's see, knife can be closed. Here we have some, looks like a manual, some stickers. Nice, okay. And power cable. And that's basically it for the box. Put stickers back in the box. And let's close that back up. And I'll take care of that later. So, let's see. Alright, some plastic. Come on. Nice sound. Let's pull it out. You guys know me by now. Oh, interesting. It's black on the back here. Let's take that off. And that's basically it. Wow, okay. And the power cable, neatly packaged, as always. I just love the way Apple packages their things. It's just like, it's almost special just to unpack it. Like a special treat right there. Unpack your system today. Alright, cool. So what do we have on the back? We have HDMI, a couple of USB-C ports, power, Ethernet, and a couple of old-fashioned USB ports, and a headphone jack, opening for a fan. On the front we have absolutely nothing. Oh, power switch. Alright. Next thing we'll be booting it up and giving it a little bit of a trial spin, comparing it to my MacBook Pro, and yeah, some first impressions. Hey guys, Mike Lauper here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing. I have been excited about this product. It's a brand new iMac. No. Hey guys, Mike Lauper here, and today we're going to do a brand new... Hey guys, Mike Lauper here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of my new Mac Mini. Now I've heard a lot about this, and I decided to go with the 8GB 256 I forgot the spec. Hey guys, Mike Lauper here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of my brand new MacBook Pro. Hey guys, Mike Lauper here, and today we're going to do an unboxing. Hey guys, Mike Lauper here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of my brand new Mac Mini that just arrived this morning. I have to tell you, I'm extremely impressed with the noise that I get around here.